So with traditional construction, usually we do the foundation, we do the superstructure, and the next thing we do is envelope the building, right? Because without envelope the building, then you have a weather factor in it, rain, snow, wind, everything. So, and in order to do it, because we gotta install everything manually, we gotta get scaffolding in. So the first thing is installing the scaffolding, getting the metal studs, getting the sheetrocks, the insulation, the waterproofing, the facade material, the actual facade material, be aluminum panel, loose aluminum panel, or bricks. We have to order and coordinate everything to make sure that the timing of it, when they come, they have to come in a way that when we need it, they are there, because otherwise we can't continue to the next step. And sometimes it's just, we have X, Y, Z, then we're missing one or two, and then we can't continue. Especially with COVID, the material, their availability is just unknown sometimes. Like sometimes the installation at one time, it takes 6 months to get. So that was just, become even more difficult. However, with prefab, everything is together already. The sheetrock, the panel, the waterproofing, the insulation, everything comes together. And now I'm only relying on one vendor as opposed to 3 or 4 or different product. One vendor, one product. So, and that just make it so much easier to source. And when it does come, we just installing one product, and we don't need the scaffolding too. And the problem with installing scaffolding also, you need more space, right? Sometimes neighbor issue, sometimes the street issue, and a safety issue. One more thing for Department of Building to inspect. So it's just a lot more dependency, and and it actually could delay the project.